Dude, it's another tornado warning.
2 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Molalla, or 17 miles south of Oregon City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Recognized it wrong.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Molalla around 5:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Colton and Molino. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIC98 broadcasting on...
Another tornado warning. This time I actually caught it. Nice.